everyone, this is Mac at Ya. Today we're going to cover spaces, a new feature in Leopard. To enable spaces, first you need to click on the icon. You'll get a pop-up to start to use spaces, in which case you will click yes. It'll bring you into the spaces preference screen. In here you'll enable spaces, and it's probably a good idea to enable the menu icon as well, which you'll see in the upper right. And here now we have 4 spaces to use, which is basically 4 desktops that you can assign applications to and organize your windows in each one separately. So here what we'll show you is you can add additional spaces, and you can add them vertically or horizontally. It doesn't really matter. You can also reduce the number of spaces, and you can have any number depending on how busy a person you are and how organized you need to be. The next thing that you can do is you can start to add applications into specific spaces. So if you want to assign a space for email, you want to assign a space for artwork or work or a different task, you can do that simply by clicking the plus sign, selecting the application that you'd like. In this case, what we'll do is we'll look for iPhoto. We'll bring iPhoto into spaces and we'll assign it into one of the spaces. In this case, we'll put it at space number 2. What that will do is every time I bring up iPhoto, whenever I click on iPhoto in the dock, it'll bring me right to space number 2, or I can just click to space number 2, and that's where my iPhoto is going to be. You can also assign other applications, email into one, maybe email and web browsing in one. I like to have my iMovie projects in a whole space. That way I can have the iMovie open, GarageBand open, everything open that I need when I'm creating video in one space. So it's a good way to keep organized. Once you've done that, what you'll see here is I've got space number 1 has my web browsing. Space number 2 is open. I can open other things in there. Space number 3, this is where I do my video editing. I've got 2 applications, GarageBand and iMovie. And iPhoto in spaces number 3. So you'll see as I click through each one of these spaces, it brings up the windows in the same order as when I left it. So you can organize your spaces, leave the windows in a certain space, and you're ready to go. No worries. So we hope you have fun with spaces and get yourself organized. We'll see you next time here on Mac at Ya.